Hello everyone. The ANC Youth League's National Task Team says President Cyril Ramaphosa cannot be granted a second term to govern the ANC and further tarnish the party's image. The ANC Youth League decided on its nominations for the ANC's top six ahead of the National Elective Conference in December. After a contentious debate, which ended on Monday morning, the League voted to endorse former Health Minister Mkhize for the ANC presidency and current Treasurer General Paul Mashatile for Deputy President. Mkhize beat Ramaphosa by a slim margin. Ramaphosa received 16 votes while Mkhize got 19. Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma received at least 4 votes. The ANC Youth League also endorsed Fikile Mbalula for the Secretary General, Limpopo Premier Stan Mathabatha as National Chairperson, and Pule Mabe as Treasurer General. Mashatile was unopposed in the vote, but there was a fierce contest between Mathabatha and NEC member David Masonda over the position of Chairperson. The ANC Youth League spokesperson Zyakhala Mkhize said they don't believe Ramaphosa lived up to their expectations. She said, "We are saying he did not live up to our expectations. We believe he is really a president who is not in touch with reality. When you are not in touch with the reality, you make wrong decisions." Some of the president's comments during the July unrest worsened matters. The issue of the rising unemployment rate is also a concern. The current leadership is not close to the people. There is no plan. People no longer care that the ANC went into exile. People want to put food on the table, and crime is rising every day. Why is Pravin Gordhan still a minister? The lack of ability to take decisions also becomes a problem, the spokesperson told the News 24 publication. She also added that some members had supported Ramaphosa during the meeting, arguing that he deserved another chance, but this will have further damaged the party. Zyakhala continued and said, "If we give people more chances to ruin things, we are going to create problems for ourselves and drive ourselves out of power as the ANC. We cannot afford any more damage to the name of the ANC." Another source from the meeting who had backed Ramaphosa said the decision to support Mkhize was shameful. It was procedurally unfair. They did not apply the rules properly. We were meant to vote for a second round, but they did not allow us. A clear picture of the nominated leaders will be evidenced once the ANC consolidates the provincial nominations on 15 November 2022. Share your views on this one, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.